Just listen this beautiful sound of the bird. I can't see the bird, but I can hear her chirping. Oh, where do you see? I can't see her. Oh my God. There is nothing more beautiful than just sitting on the grass and meditating while the cold breeze is touching your chins, blowing your hair, with birds chirping in the background, an airplane high in the sky just going to the destination unknown to me. Life sometimes is so beautiful, even when a lot of poignance, a lot of sadness, a lot of pain around. That's the beauty of life. Life goes on. Life goes on despite everything. People do what they do. They break hearts, they give you pain, they make you sad, but there are certain things which never disappoints you, still gives you pleasure, like this beautiful, pleasant air, morning air, like this moving of leaves with the air blowing and the beautiful birds flying. Innate things like a plane going on the destination, cloud suddenly stationed and confused what to do, whether to pour rains or just to stand still and enjoy the stillness, or the beautiful the chirpings which I can't hear right now. These are the things which make life beautiful despite everything. Thank you.